So I'm gonna be using the Tandoori Rub today to make a really delicious sweet and spicy snack mix. Now this is great because you can use some of your favorite snacks and it adds texture, it's gonna add a lot of flavor. So we've got some melted butter here. To that I'm going to add a few spices, a little bit of Worcestershire, and we're gonna add some honey for sweetness. And for the star of the dish, this delicious tandoori rub, you have cardamom, cumin, coriander, chili powder, and it's almost like when you're eating it, you can't quite tell what's in it, but you know it's special. All right, so we're gonna give this a stir. It already smells so good. All right, so now we're gonna take our delicious mixture and pour it right over the snack mix. All right, get all of that goodness in there, and then we're just gonna give it a toss. Transfer this to a baking sheet so everything has a nice chance to get toasty. Now we're gonna pop this into the oven at 250 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay, this looks absolutely delicious. So once this is nice and cool, it's ready to serve. And I promise you it disappears fast. It is so addictive.